Good morning, children. Already the lesson is completed for you all. 8th standard electricity, lesson 5. And I have to give the question and answers. So, better you take your notebooks, take your textbooks, take pencil in your hand. Let us go for choose the correct answer first. The questions are given in page number 57. Okay, first we will see the choose the correct answer. First one is, when an ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, the charge acquired by the fur is, 4 options are given to you. Out of 4 options, which is the correct one? B, positive. First, whenever you are writing the answers in the classwork notebook, choose and all, you no need to write. Suppose in case you are writing the exam, you have to write first option, then only answer. So, what's the option here? B, positive. Okay. Second one is, the electrification of 2 different bodies on rubbing is because of the transfer of, electrons. That is option C, electrons. Third one, which of the following a simple circuit must have? 4 options as usual. The 4th option is, that is D is the correct one. Battery, wire, switch. D. Battery, wire, switch. 4th one. An electroscope has been charged by induction with the help of charged glass rod. The charge on the electroscope is, option B is the correct one, positive. Fifth one, fuse is 4 option. D is the correct answer, a protective device for breaking an electric circuit. D, a protective device electric circuit. Clear? So, is there any doubt in that? Next, we have to go for fill in the blanks. Dash takes place by rubbing objects together. Transfer of electrons. First answer is what? Transfer of electrons. Write in the book properly. Objectives and all, you no need to write in the classwork. Only question and answers you have to write. The body which has lost electrons becomes positive. Dash is a device that protects building from lightning strike. What's the answer for that? Lightning arresters. Third one is lightning arresters. ARR. ARRESTORS. Fourth one is, dash is a thin metallic filament that melts and breaks the connection when the circuit is overheated. That is electric fuse. Electric fuse. And the last fill up. 3 bulbs are connected end to end from a battery. This connection is called series circuit. There are 2 circuits, parallel and series. This is series circuit. Okay. Let us go for Roman number 3. That is true or false. If false, correct the statement. Okay. The charge acquired by an ebonite rod rubbed with piece of flannel is negative. First one is true. Second one, a charged body induces an opposite charge on an uncharged body when they are brought near. That also true. And the third one, electroscope is a device used to charge a body by induction. The two are, you have studied, it's an device. True. The fourth one, water can conduct electricity. Yes, the electricity what you have taken from water is known as hydroelectric power. So all the options are true. All the answers options are true. The last one, in a parallel circuit, current remains the same in all components. Here it is false. First you have to write false. The true or false, in case of false, you have to write two steps. One is false. Afterwards, you have to give the correct answer. What's the correct answer here? In the parallel circuit, current. In the place of current, you have to write voltage. So, answer, in a electric circuit, the place of current, what I said, voltage. Voltage remains same in all components. Clear? So, we have completed choose, fill up and true or false. Next, we have to go for give reasons. Give reasons you have to copy in the classwork notebook. Then before going for the give reasons, we have to go for assertion and reason. Roman number 6 you say. Fifth one I will be writing on the board, children. Okay? Roman number 6. Assertion. Options. You know, 4 options are the both it's the reason, assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. First option. Second, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Assertion is false, reason is true. 4 option. Out of 4 option, which is the correct one for the question, you have to write. Assertion, first answer. People struck by lightning receive a severe electrical shock. Reason, lightning carries very high voltage. So, both are correct only. So, we have to write the first option. A, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. You have to write like this. Sixth, first question. Answer is what? A, that is both assertion. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So, what's the answer here? A. And second one, it is safer to stand under a tall tree during lightning. It will make you target for lightning. So, here the answer is both are false. Assertion is false, but reason is true. D. So, it is safer to stand under a tall tree during lightning. During lightning or during raining, we should not stand under a tree. But reason, it will make you the target for lightning. That is true. If you are standing under the tree, if lightning falls on the tree, we have to collapse. So, answer D is the correct one. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Second one, D. Then after that, you have to write assertion is false, but reason is true. Clear? Now everything we have completed. Only thing we have to go for, give reasons for the following briefly and detailed. Finish writing, children? Shall I rub the board? So here, then after this we have to write question and answers. Give reason. This and all you have to copy in the classwork. So what are the things? Here choose, fill in, true or false, and this one what I said, assertion, reason. This and all you no need to write in the classwork. Further what I am going to write, you have to copy in the classwork notebook. Clear? First one, give reasons. Match the following. I forgot match the following, children. Sorry. Match the following. Roman number 4. Two similar charges. You know, similar charges means what? Same charges, they repel each other. Two similar charges, they repel each other. Okay. Put number 1 there. Two dissimilar charges, they attract each other. When glass rod is rubbed with silk, acquires positive charge. When ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, acquires a negative charge. Fuse prevents a circuit from overheating. Put 1, 2, 3 first ASI. Two similar charges, what I say? Repel each other. Two dissimilar charges attract each other. When glass rod is rubbed with silk, acquires a positive charge. When a ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, acquire a negative charge. Fuse prevents a circuit from overheating. So the order you have seen means 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Clear? 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Because you are able to mark, so I am not writing on the board. Now we have to go for give reasons. From here only you have to copy in the classwork one. Roman number 5. Give reasons for the following. You have to copy down the questions from the book. Answer. First one, when the glass rod is rubbed with silk, when the glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, both get charged. We have to give the reason. Both, that is glass rod as well as silk cloth, both are getting charged. This is true or not? Only one point is enough for that. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, both get charged. Answer. It is because children, copy down in the classwork notebook. It is because the free electrons in the glass rod less tightly bounded TIGHTLY, tightly bounded. As compared to that in silk cloth. To that in silk cloth. Clear, children? Question is what? When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, both get charged. This is because the free electrons in the glass rod less tightly bounded as compared to the silk cloth. Silk cloth is stronger. Glass rod is less easily it can transfer to the silk cloth. Clear, children? Next one. When a comb is rubbed with dry hair, it attracts small bits of paper. Answer. Comb rubbed with air while taking lesson, I said it is friction. Gains electrons from the air and becomes negatively charged. Negatively charged. Because comb rubbed with the air, so from the comb gets electron, it becomes what? Negatively charged. Electron is negatively charged. Because comb is getting the thing, comb is getting the electrons, so it becomes what? Negatively charged. When the piece of paper is stirred, into bits, positive and negative charges are present at the edges of the bits. Negative charges in the comb attracts positive charge in the bits. So children, out of give reason, totally how many? 5. Out of 5 I gave only 2. So remaining 3 I will give in other class. Okay, thank you children.